Teaching kindergarten math lessons is not only fun but challenging. This is the beginning of a child's adventure.
Start your lessons by showing the children objects which they can touch, feel, and explore.
There is no better way to give him concepts but by demonstrating them using real objects.
Here are some guides for you when teaching kindergarten math lessons.
1. Understanding of numbers. Teach the children how to count by telling stories and doing some activities.
You may want to get some objects for them to count, let's say plates, tables, and colored pens.
Ask them how many do they see and let them count. Ask them one by one to count enough to be heard by the whole class.
Remember that teaching kindergarten math lessons is not just teaching numbers, but you are allowing them to understand what they are counting.
2. Concepts of classifying and sequencing. This kindergarten math lesson helps the children identify similarities and differences.
This will also help them recognize patterns and shapes.
Prepare some materials for this activity for the children to appreciate it. Put all objects on a corner and ask them to group together which they think are similar.
Give them enough time to choose. After which, ask them why they chose these objects together. Let them explain and count all the objects they have chosen.
This activity will be filled with fun, especially when you let them explain why they have chosen to group the objects together.
3. Money concepts. One great way for kindergartens to appreciate math lessons is through money matters. You may prepare some coins and bills for this activity.
Let them identify first the coins and bills. Help them understand that this is what their mom and dad used to buy some goods in store and to pay for anything they need.
Teach the value of having it and using it correctly. Let them count the coins, then the bills, and add all of them.
Kindergarten math lessons deal mostly with basic concepts such as counting numbers.
It is important that you are not only able to help them count but also explain to them the value of the objects that they are counting.
This is the stage when math matters with the value added into it.